Hi all, in this video we will see how to return an array from method. The example is shown here. Here there are methods which are implemented. One method is print array. The job of print array method is to print the array. Then other method is reverse method. The job of reverse method is to reverse the elements of the array. Now in the main method, what I am doing, in the main method I am printing the elements of array which is written by the reverse method. Okay, so here I am creating some array which first go to the reverse method. Reverse method is creating new array with reverse values of elements, and that new array is written by reverse, which is going to the print array method, and that array is getting printed. So we will implement this code practically. This program show you how to return an array from a particular method. There is one class which is test class. It has one method which is print array method. Now print array method is taking one array argument and printing the elements of the array. There is another method which is reverse method. Reverse method has one local array which is result array. This result array will store the elements in reverse order as that of original array. So that logic is implemented here using one for loop, and the result array is returned. So this is how an array is returned from a particular method. Now this array will be returned where the reverse is called. So here the reverse is called. So the reverse array which is returned will come here and will be printed by print array method. So let me run the program. You will see that it is printing these elements in reverse order. Output is 246 213.